Creating a new ticket called an issue or work item in Jira is simple and can be done from almost anywhere in the tool. Steps to create a new Jira ticket. Log into your Jira site. Click the Create button in the top navigation bar or press the keyboard shortcut C. In the Create Issue dialog, select the correct project. Choose the issue type, for example, task, bug, story, epic, or a custom type. Fill in the key fields, summary, a clear, concise title. This is the most important field. Description, detailed explanation of the issue or request. Use formatting, bullet points or screenshots. Assign an assignee, set priority, add labels, or fill any required custom fields. Click Create, or create another if you want to submit multiple tickets. The new ticket appears in the project's backlog or board according to your workflow.